Hi, my name is Frank Valencic and welcome to our Advantage Property Market Update. Well, the year ended in Melbourne with clearance rates hovering around that 45 to 48% mark, showing that it is definitely finishing as a buyer's market. We expect that to continue next year when the auction market starts again in mid-February. So there'll be a hiatus, a bit of a break, and then we usually see that market start very strongly in February. We'll probably see the clearance rates improving, if anything. Well, the year ended with some record results, even though the market has come back. What about St Albans? Record price in Alfreda Street of $2.5 million. It was only on a 590 square metre block, over 5,000 square metre, but the big change there was in the zoning. It was changed to residential growth zoning, which allowed now for multi-apartment developments. So that had developers jumping up and down all over it. There's a lot of talk about the upcoming federal election. People are talking about the election being around April, May next year and Labor's proposed changes. And the big one is obviously negative gearing, which is going to have a massive impact on the investor market. And the second one is halving the capital gains tax concessions. And again, that will have a big effect on investors. I think the investors will go running, and I hope the government doesn't make a massive mistake as they did in the late 80s when Keating introduced it and then abolished it straight away. Well, one of the things I'm often asked over the last 18 years as a buyer's advocate is now a good time to buy? Absolutely it is, because you want to buy when the market is in a buyer's favour rather than a seller's market. And now you've got less competition, you've got prices that have come back about 10% in a lot of suburbs compared to 12 months ago. And you've got that opportunity to buy when other investors aren't buying, because a lot of investors are like sheep. They follow the market and jump into the market when it is a very, very strong market. Well, overall, the Australian economy is performing well. Nothing has really changed. All that's changed is that there is a bit of a fear mentality amongst buyers now. They've been scared off by some of the negative media reports, but unemployment is at record lows. The interest rates by the RBA haven't been increased for many, many years, and there's talk now that they won't be increased even up until over 2020. And we've still got the very strong population growth, particularly in Melbourne, growing by around 150,000 a year. So nothing fundamentally has changed. All that's changed is what's between people's ears, and that's their head and their mentality. Well, our group block purchases continue to get some great results, even though the apartment market continues to be quite patchy. A client of ours got a valuation for a one-bedroom apartment in Ida Street, North Fitzroy for $435,000. That only settled just over 2 years ago for $306,000 in our group blocks purchases. So creating some great equity there. Please don't hesitate to get on our website, check out information about our buyer's advocate, seller's advocate, property management and group block purchases. We'll look forward to seeing you next time.